Hey, I'm Jacob from Savant. Let's take a quick look at how the Select tool in Alteryx compares to the Transform tool in Savant, and why Transform makes the process simpler and more flexible. In Alteryx, the Select tool is used to control which columns move forward in your workflow. You can rename them, reorder them, and change their data types. In Savant, the Transform tool does everything the Select tool does, but it also lets you apply formulas and create new fields right in the same step. That means you can combine what might take multiple tools in Alteryx into just one in Savant. Now let's take a look at how each one works. In Alteryx, you drag in the Select tool. From there, you can tick or untick fields to keep or remove them, type new names directly into the rename column, move them up or down with arrow buttons to change order, and choose new data types from the dropdown. In Savant, all of that and more happens in the Transform tool. To hide a field, just click the eye icon. To reorder, simply drag and drop it where you want it. Renaming is as easy as clicking the rename button, typing the new name, and applying. Need to change a data type? Choose from the type dropdown. And here's something extra. You can also create new calculated fields right in Transform without needing another tool. Savant keeps it all in one place. Fewer clicks, less clutter, and more flexibility. Because it runs in the cloud, you can process millions of rows without slowing down your computer. Need help? Ask Savvy, our AI chatbot, or connect with others in the Savant community.